Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Tezos, its valuations against Bitcoin, as well as the US dollar. Looking at where's the bounce going to be. I talked about this in my previous video about Tezos, but this is just an update because things are moving pretty fast. Bitcoin is down about 3%. It was as low as almost 5%. It kind of bounced back up to 2%. Regardless, we're going down. This is negatively affecting altcoins, at least the majority of them. VeChain's down 5% against Bitcoin. Basic attention tokens down 3% against Bitcoin. Uni's down 2.5%. Chainlink's down 3.30. Ethereum's down almost 2%. So things are going down, and we're seeing Tezos come down, and we're coming to about a line of support on Bitcoin. So what do I mean? This green line here kind of measures this higher low trend that we've been experiencing since the initial dump back in the fall of last year. Um, we're coming back down to right now. If it were to go to this week, it would be about 77.91 Satoshis. So we're currently at 8,354 Satoshis. So we're not too far away. In fact, it's roughly about a 7%, additional 7% move down. Something that can totally be accomplished within this week, as last week was an 11% down week. In addition, this can just go on to roll over to next week and see. So this is kind of like what we're looking for here. Um, and take further look against the US dollar. This is also something that's similar. We see consistent higher lows for the macro span of Tezos, right? We saw a low here, low here, low here, 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 and currently we're trending down to it again. So $4, if it were to be this week, it would be about 382, but more so look to $4, the lower $4 range for a bounce from Tezos if you're waiting for that. We can be confident in knowing that when it comes to this level, odds are it will bounce and will trend up again to the higher resistance level, which would be about $10, $11 or so. It's pretty consistent in regards to that, right? You see these moves here, and then the consistent higher lows. But that's just something quick. Am I buying at those levels? Maybe. I'm not sure. I mean, to be honest, I feel like there's other better opportunities elsewhere. Uniswap versus Ethereum is looking very good in terms of a buying opportunity. And considering that VeChain is now turning it around, trending back down to the buy region, and I had very much good luck with VeChain, this might be an area for me to start accumulating at. In addition, um, Cardano Ether is also in a downtrend, and is at these levels here. If we're able to get down any further, I think that would probably be a very good buy, considering we haven't seen these levels since May, really. Hopefully, if it comes down more, I can consider buying. So there's a lot of other altcoins right now that are in pretty good positions, and my Tezos position is large enough that I'm comfortable with that position. Anything more, and it kind of brings it kind of outbalances my portfolio, and that's not something that I really want to do due to risk. But if you're a risky guy and you like to gamble, this might be a potential area to look at. Or if you're referencing the US dollar, around the low $4 range might be an area of interest. It can even dip even lower, as we've seen in December of 2020, and in June in the summer of 2021, it went down to about $2. So this is something to take into consideration. And I mean, even still, Tezos being the way it is, if you bought at the bottom and then sold at the upper region here, it's about a 300% move, which is pretty good. That's a 4x. Uh, uh, However, do note that there are other altcoins out there that have netted bigger returns. But I think Tezos is an interesting project. It's one of the Ethereum hedges, although it's not doing very well against Ethereum. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.